We need to be in a tribe.
Right.
A lot of these different movements, I was so lucky to spend time with, 1 week it would be a group of radical anti-Islam campaigners, then it would be a psychedelics group, then the crypto-anarchists, then the transhumanists, and every single group I saw similarities at the really basic human level, the need to be part of a group, the thrill of being involved with an outsider movement, changing the world, the enjoyment that comes with being people that are like you, having a shared subculture of which you're a part. The same reason I used to be an indie music fan and had my indie hair, and all my friends had indie hair, and we'd go to indie clubs. We were part of a tribe. And it was those bits of it, the human elements of it, that often kept the group together, and they are as important as the ideas. So, for example, I spent a year traipsing around Europe with anti-Islam campaigners, with Tommy Robinson, the former leader of the English Defence League. And people don't understand the appeal of these groups, and they think they're just a bunch of angry racists. And there are some angry racists in there, don't get me wrong. But when you're inside the group and you're part of it, you see a very different side of it. It's exciting, it's thrilling, it's fun. You're part of a team. The world's against you, but you stick together. You get this very tight bond. I was traveling across Europe doing demonstrations with these guys, right? And we were getting bottles thrown at us from anti-fascists. They were charging us with the police trying to block them out of the way. We were being chased in taxis. We had police guards at our hotels because we were being followed around by anti-fascists that were threatening to kill us. And I'm telling you, that's more exciting than sitting around on a Saturday on your own in the part of the country where maybe there aren't that many brilliant jobs around and nothing much is going on. And you have this community of people of which you suddenly feel a part. That is so powerful. And people forget that about these groups, like it's fun and exciting to be part of them. And I know that from having been in them for so long, following them around. And if you don't understand that, and you don't see that human side to it, you completely misunderstand what the group's about.
Continue watching this fascinating conversation for free by clicking on the link below to visit our website, learn from the best minds in the world, and connect with a community of passionate people building the best versions of themselves. Just click on the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.